ProbStats kids, this is Dr. Callahan. How are you guys doing? Go ahead and pause the video and answer the following 3 questions. All right, so first thing I asked you guys to do was to go ahead and draw a Christmas tree using square numbers. And as you guys know, what square numbers are like square root of 9, which is 3, square root of 16, which is 4, square root of 25, which is 5. So you can tell that that's 36 is the next one, 49, 64, 81, 100. These are all square numbers. So this is kind of my tree. I use the square numbers to go ahead and draw the outline of the tree. And then afterwards, I use more square numbers to decorate the inside of the tree with ornaments. So if you were to go ahead and tally up using a bar graph of the favorite rides at the fair, this is what you should have. And since we're on the topic about interpreting charts and data, this is actually the latest of last Tuesday of what COVID is looking like right now. Each of those tiny little indents are showing 1,000 per cases of COVID. And so far we are right here. So it actually doesn't look too bad in Nevada, but I can just see like in the Northwest or the Midwest and also the South, it seems pretty chaotic and very concentrated in that area. All right, so last time I saw you guys, we started with a new packet. You've already turned in your last packet of Unit 2. So now we're on Unit 3, Chapter 1, and it is on Intro to Statistic. So I had you guys work on number 2 to 44, and so go ahead and take a look at that. And these are the answers for your homework. And with your textbook homework, you get 1 point apiece. And here's number 26 to 32. It's asking you to identify the sample and then also the population. Just giving a fair warning. My little girl just walked into the office that I am trying to video record, and she's having a major meltdown. So I apologize if you hear like a crying baby in the background. Okay. So this is Emma, and she's like looking at me going, mama, mama, mama. I'm like, all right, baby. All right, so let's go ahead and move on forward. Hopefully this will not take too long. Make sure you guys are showing your work on the back of your homework templates because that is really important. And we also went over objectives numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 last time I saw you guys. And here are the answers in case you do not get them. All right, so today let's take a look at the breakdown. Today we're going to have your quiz 1.1. It's going to have 8 questions, multiple choice, fill in the blank on MS Team. If you're in class, you can bring it up and we'll just grade it, of course. But then if you're over online, that will look obviously a little bit different. So I'm going to do a new share, and I am going to share with you guys on how to access that. So you just simply go to MS Team. So let's go ahead and share this. And make sure you guys are going into Prob and Stats. Once there, if you take a look at week 9 Tuesday, you do have the quiz right here. So view assignments. And then I will have to go to student view so I can see what you're seeing. Oh, here we go. And then ta-da, here is the, oh my gosh, there is actually no, there's nothing there. So give me a second. I'm like, wait a minute, this is not correct. So let's add the resource because you wouldn't be able to see it if you don't have it, duh. And it's a good thing that I check every time so that way it keeps me on my toes that I actually am able to recheck this. Here we go. Okay, it's uploading. So No worries there. It should be good now. Update, so you guys should be receiving an update on this. Okay, let's try this one more time. Student view. Here's the quiz, and ta-da, there it is. Okay, so 8 questions, multiple choice, fill in the blank. And then after you're done, I have like a video that I want you guys to watch. It is right here. There is a quiz on a quizzes I want you guys to do. It's 12 questions. You just simply click on it. Here is the code for that. And then make sure you guys do the questions on identifying populations and samples right here. Your answer should be written right there on the right side. And then I have your exit ticket on the very bottom. And my last thing I want you to do is we have a personality trait, positive, negative activity that I want you guys to work on. So now I'm going to go back to this. So that way, okay, here we go. And so the very last thing I want you guys to do is make sure you guys do this positivity, negativity, personality trait thing. So a positive personality is that you're understanding. Opposite of that is aggressive. Positive is strong. Negative is selfish. Positive is punctual. Negative, I guess you could put late and or jealous. Loyal versus lazy. So I want you guys to go ahead and try to identify a few that are of your own. These are some that I probably am as well. I try not to be jealous of certain things, but sometimes you just can't help it, dang it. All right, so then make sure you guys also finish identifying population and sample. This is also in your guided notes. Multiple choice, it's just asking you questions of sample, parameters, population, data, and statistics. And if you're done with that, here are the answers, so make sure you guys have that. All right, you guys, that's basically it for week 9 Tuesday. Fairly simple overall. I do have one extra credit assignment for you guys. If you're seeing this, this is a population versus sample worksheet. You can go ahead and just show this on a separate piece of paper. And if you turn it in, I will replace your lowest grade with the highest grade of 100%. And here is your exit ticket for today. Other than that, I hope you guys are well. And as always, stay safe and healthy. Take care.